Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make tutorial Starry Bunny, if you remember. So now I cut this three gaiters, will be three pairs of gaiters. If you didn't see before, this top I made, skirt I made, and now I will make these gaiters. This tutorial you can't buy nowadays, because just two ready, and there will be gaiters, coat, and I want to make more dress and bezel, and I think maybe I should make here for this doll tights, because these gaiters, they are a little bit bigger. You can see it can move easily like that. And I think if I will make tights, or like how we say stockings, yes, maybe stockings, it will be very interesting. I think stockings, yes, I think it will be very interesting. Just now this idea just now is coming in my mind. To make panties and to make stockings. Yes, it will be beautiful. So I'm going to make tutorial. I think just in next month it will be completed, all moments. Today 16 March. Yes, and in March I will also make coat. Okay, I will show you after some seconds. I think when all gaiters will be done, I decided to make a little bit longer. So on my pattern it is like this, and I decided to make a little bit longer. Of course, in tutorial I will write about it, and you will decide how you will more prefer this size or little bit longer upper side. I think if it will be longer, it will be little bit more tight, but we also can sew like this. Okay, I will make and we will compare, and I think every people like different things, so, and different things available to do. Okay, I will join after some hours, but you will see me after some seconds. Okay guys, I complete to make gaiters like that, and you can see that this yellow color gaiter is a little bit longer. I decided to make like that and see difference. I think this is more beautiful. Okay, our opinions every time different. Some people like gaiter, some not, some like short, some long. I think I will make in the future stockings, as I told you before, and maybe it will be more interesting. So I made yellow. On this I made tutorial, and I also made purple and bright pink, because I have three tops. I don't know in English really, is it top? I think top. I make three outfits, and skirts also are completed, and also boots. So on this week I think I will make three pairs of stockings and three panties, yes, panties, and On next weekend I will make tutorial for this coat, bunny coat. On one sleeve I have stars, on another this lace, and on the back also star with different elements. And here on the hood, of course, bunny ears and stars. On next weekend I will make this tutorial. Then yes, next month I think I will make dress and bezel, and then this tutorial will be complete and will be on my website. So today I make video in Russian and made photos, and tomorrow I think I will translate in English, make tutorial, all tutorial with pictures. There I make a lot of pictures. And okay, it takes so much time, of course, but more important that it will be beautiful, no matter 1, 2 or 3 months. So now I will take off and wear this one. So with this outfit we will meet a little bit later. Next week, next step I will show you, and I hope you will be interested in it. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and if you like my video, subscribe. I will be so much happy. Okay, bye my friends.